The Universal Calibration Lattice, a framework of support as we consciously accelerate our evolution. We discover there is much more to us than meets the eye as our awareness and perceptions continue to grow. Our thoughts, our words, our emotions, our behavior, all affect the energy patterns of our being. Our very existence generates energy charges, and that generates patterns that speak a language. Even when we remain silent, the language of energy is constantly spoken. The reality we call life on planet Earth is co-created from the patterns of energy we generate, and according to the pattern of information we transmit, we are answered. We constantly speak a language of energy that radiates the specific resonance of who we are to ourselves, to others, and to the entire universe. A universe that science now tells us is completely interconnected. To further experience the richness of the lattice, I present to you a new and empowering concept. There is another lattice, a third lattice, that links your consciousness to all other aspects of your life. The dynamics of this lattice and the Universal Calibration Lattice are the same. The third lattice is a construct generated from the consciousness of your mind and your heart that serves as a framework and a container for the energetic charges of all the interactions within your universe. Each third lattice contains the unique energy of two seemingly separate entities. In metaphysical reality, there is only oneness, yet each aspect of the oneness represents the manifestation of unique energetic resonance. There is a collective lattice generated by the family group, a lattice filled with the energy charges of the dynamics of family. You generate a third lattice with each member of your family, and they generate lattices with one another. Lattices upon lattices. Does it sound complicated? Think of them as a unified and universal filing system. It then becomes simple and profound as you understand this dynamic, for as you focus on one lattice to calibrate, you calibrate them all. A lattice is generated by you and your home. Housekeeping is more meaningful when you are consciously making your home a special place, a sacred expression of who you are. Every place and everything you interact with generates a third lattice. The lattice you generate with material and mechanical things is supported by the radiance emanating from the core of your being, and this may extend their life of usage. However, consider when things wear out or stop working, it may be instead of you wearing out or not working. Let us consider the third lattice you generate with your pet, a companion you have chosen. Or did your pet choose you? You also generate a lattice with the entire animal world. You generate a third lattice with all living beings, and they with you. All of your individual and collective relationships are holographically connected. Again, lattices upon lattices, a unified and universal filing system. Remember, focus on one lattice to calibrate, and you calibrate them all. As we work with others or make agreements with others, of course, a third lattice is generated. Consider the principal dynamics of your relationships. If you choose to change the dynamics, you know in your heart of hearts you can only change the energy charges you express. You know your thoughts, words, actions, and emotions are all powerful expressions of your personal energy. Strive to consciously choose the energy you express in the world. Spiritual beliefs generated by you and accepted into your reality can be deeply understood and manifested as you learn to skillfully organize and focus your energy. The Universal Calibration Lattice is the system in your energy anatomy that supports the accelerating of your evolution. Working with the third lattice assists you with keeping track of your evolutionary progress and increases your ability to make wise, conscious choices in harmony with your desires and intents. There is a third lattice generated that links your reality with the concept of time itself. You are a timeless being, living in a reality bounded by time. All abstract concepts generate a third lattice. Thank you for choosing to take another step in your continuing journey of mastery, self-responsibility, and self-empowerment through this contemporary understanding of the human energy anatomy. Now, in this time of accelerated evolution, the intent of a new Earth is supported by the evolution of the new human. The universal human is here, and it is you. The symbol of the evolving human, an invitation to deepen your ability to live the energy of love. The third lattice is a consciousness construct generated from your mind and your heart. May you find mastery within the powerful balance of wisdom and emotions. Are you ready? Then let us begin.